tears. Here's to nothing, hope the tears. What for something can we drink?
Hey, what's up guys? It's here, ThreadBeast baby. Yes sir, it came today on a Friday. Yes, super happy. So let me go ahead and use my box cutter, cut this thing open, see what we got. Right. Just the way. Wrapping paper. Let's move this out the way, see what I get. Hopefully I get a hat. Hopefully I get some jeans, some shorts, something. Spring is here. Spring is here. So, move this out the way. See what I have. Okay. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so it's a pen rack. Okay, that's interesting, I guess. That's pretty cool. Okay, interesting, a pen rack. Okay. Not what I expected at all, but it is what it is. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. Okay. I like the blue. A bit long for a large, but I like the blue. I like it a lot. Definitely worth wearing during the summer. The gym, hanging out with the boys, to work. This is by Elwood. Pretty cool stuff. I guess they are showing the prices on here, I guess. No, this is a tall tee. So yes, it's a tall tee. This is just something I wear to the gym. I wouldn't wear this out in public, except for the gym. I really wouldn't. I don't like tall, bulky stuff. For some odd reason, I just don't. That's like so 2006, 2007, possibly even as late as 2008. But nah, this would have been cool if it was like 08 again. But nah, not now. No, it's okay. I'll be honest with you. It's alright. It could be a lot better. It's okay. Okay, cool. Some more boxer briefs. Nice. These are nice. Very comfortable. Okay. Let's continue. I think I got a few more items in here. Oh, okay. Staples. Nice. Cool. I like it. Black. Oh, damn. $32 for the shirt. Damn. 32 right there. Damn. Wow. This is nice. This is some pretty cool stuff. And then you got ThreadBeast, the ThreadBeast logo and name right there. That's pretty cool. Interesting. Large as well. Like I said, this is just worth. This is just worth wearing, going to the gym, hang out with the boys. Nothing too serious. Yeah. Okay. What else I got? Ooh. Nice. I like this flannel right here. Levi's. Nice. Yes, sir. Levi. Ooh. I do like it. Definitely fall weather. Definitely hanging out with the boys. With this. Go to the mall, pick up girls. Yeah, this is nice. This is something I even wear to work. Yep, for sure. Nice. Okay. Flannels are always good to have. And then the final item. Let's see what we get. Oh, Oh, finally. Finally. Fucking finally. Fucking finally. Finally a hoodie. Finally, my first ever hoodie. Finally. Color's okay. It's kind of a light dark green, I would imagine. It's pretty cool. Who's it by? Okay, Pink Dolphin. Okay, nice. I like it. This is definitely fall weather stuff. I could work out with this, obviously. Uh, Going to the movies, mall, whatever. Just hang out with the boys. This is just basic casual wear. Nice. Cool. Nice. I'm excited. Got my first hoodie. So, yeah. Big props for that. I'm happy for that. I still don't know why I got. I don't know why I got this. I really don't. I really don't know why I got this. Why did they send me this? They could have sent me a hat or some jeans. This was an okay box. It really was. It was okay. I hope that my next one's gonna be better. I need to get a hat. Gotta get a hat. Got to get a hat. Come on, ThreadBeast. Please, please send me a hat. Please. Send me a hat. I need some jeans as well. Seriously. This was an okay box. It could have been better though. Alright guys, peace. And remember, pick up the essential pack. Pick up the essential. It's better than the baller package. Because seriously, would you rather pay $85 and get a decent pair of items, or would you rather pay $250 and possibly get a pair of shoes? Possibly. So yeah. Alright, see you later. Peace. I gotta get a hat.